Hello, my friends. I will be teaching you today how you create Facebook pages and joined pages and how you can interact in these pages. Now we switch to my screen. So now we are on my home screen on the smartphone and we have to open up the Facebook app. So now we open Facebook and we want to create a Facebook group to invite our friends or somebody want to come in and join the group for special information. So we click in the top on the bread menu or in the right, and you get an overview of the menu and shortcuts. You can see gaming, memories, saved, and the fourth in this row is the groups. So now we click on groups and we can discover some groups, what we are interested in. We can search for groups, but we want to create a group. I show you this. In the top right, you see the search, the settings, and the plus icon. So we click the plus icon, and in the bottom we can create a post in a group you've joined, or you can create a group, create a public or private group. So now you can choose if you want to create a public or private group. So press this and we give this group a name, and we named this group YouTube. We name it Social Media Growth. All right, and we have to choose public or private. And for now, we leave it public, so it's open to everybody. And I say done. And I can create this group in the top when I click on the create group. So Facebook is creating this group. And now you see you can invite people, share the group in WhatsApp or the Messenger or Facebook, or you can copy this link and share it wherever you want in the internet or on the social medias. You can share this group. This is a very new option via the QR code. So at the moment it's not working, I see. So maybe later. And I have one friend at the moment. It's my wife. So I invite her and I hope she come inside this group. So now we click on next. And now we can add a cover for this group. At the moment I have no cover. I don't prepare it. So Facebook give me some options here. And I choose this one and click next in the bottom. And now I can give this group a description, and I can write this group is for discussion of how to grow fast in the social media universe. So this is great. We give them a smiley and click next. And we can create our first post in this group, and we write something and say, hello, I created this group for discussion of social media. Let's talk first about Facebook. So great, we can give them some backgrounds that looks nicer. So I think the blue one here is wonderful. Now we can post this, and Facebook is posting this, and we are done. We can click the button in the bottom for done, and we see our group. So from here we can do some things. We can manage the group, we can make it private, we can invite some people, we can look at the photos, we can create events, we can upload files, and we can also upload the new reels. So we can everything what we can do in the normal Facebook, but here you have it for a special group or a private group. And this makes it special because you can reach a specific audience. So now we look if my wife is come in this group. Yes, look, we have 2 members in the under the name of the Facebook group. There are 2 informations. The one information is it's a public group, and the second information is we have 2 members. And when I click on 2 members, I see the Samantha has joined this group. So from here I can see all group members, and I can manage them. I can suspend in group, turn on post approval, I can limit the activity from her, I can ban her from the group, I can invite as an admin, invite for a moderator, I can send her a private message in this group, and I can view her profile. So what we can do with our first invited person. So when you go down a little bit, you see you can write something in this group again, or you can go to your first post and you can like it. But we can also do something special. We can comment this and mark Samantha here with the @ sign, and I mark her and give her a question. What you think about this group? So now I sent this, and this member of this group get a notification because I marked her in my comment, and now she can reply. So you can also write to specific people in this group, and this member can now reply on this comment. He can like this comment or something else. So we look if something happened. So we go back to our home of Facebook homepage. So we see Samantha like my photo in the past. This is what we create in the last video, and I refresh the page and I see Samantha comment on my post for 1 minute. So I click there, and now I see, I think it's wonderful, thanks for creating this group. So now we can engage with our people in this group, and I like her comment because she actually answered my question. So now I can write her back. I reply here and say thank you so much. And Facebook gives me recommendations for my comment. I can accept this like so. You click here in the last of the recommendations, and then we can send this. So now I answer her on this comment. So this was the tutorial for creating a group and engaging with some people and invited people to a group. Now I show you how you can get into a group. So we can go in the top to the search icon and search for some music groups. I type in music and hit the search icon. And now you can see what Facebook gives us out for searching. We can go in the tab all, we can go in the tab videos, posts, people, and now there comes groups. And here you see the first music group, feel the music, meditation, relaxing, post your music, the best trance music, something like this. It's thousands of groups, and we can easily join them. We click the join button, and then we can visit them with another click. And now we see we are in this group. Some groups are private, so we have to answers to questions for the admins, or somebody have to accept my request for the Facebook group. But in a normal way, it's relative easy to come in, and we can engage with these people here. Cool music. And I posted, so we already joined it. Also invite some other members. I can invite Samantha. So it's really interesting what you can do with this. You can create anything what you create in Facebook, also in the groups. So thank you very much for watching this, and we switch back. Thank you very much for watching this video today. I hope you learned something new, and I hope you subscribe my channel, give this video a thumb up, leave a comment when you have any questions. Thank you very much, and see you again. Bye bye.